Welcome! In this video, we will demonstrate how to navigate through one of the lecture types. When you access a lecture, it will open up in a new tab. The transcript option in the top right corner either expands the audio transcript or opens the option to download a PDF of the transcript. Some courses also have a resources option, which can contain relevant handouts, data sheets, or any other pertinent resources. Use the previous and next buttons in the bottom right corner to navigate to the previous or next slide. Note that on the first slide, the previous button will be disabled, just as when you are on the last slide, the next button will be disabled. In the bottom left corner, use the Table of Contents button to expand the table of contents to navigate to different slides. Next to it, to the right, use the Play Pause button to play and pause the lecture slide. The progress bar shows which slide you are on and how many slides there are, such as 7 out of 28, as well as how long the slide is. The Replay button allows you to restart the slide. The Volume button allows you to adjust the volume. The Full Screen button allows you to toggle to full screen mode and back. When present, selecting the glasses or screen reader mode icon in the top left corner will toggle to screen reader mode, which allows you to navigate the course with a screen reader. In screen reader mode, use the audio controls to play, pause, and adjust the volume on the slide. Select the previous and next buttons to navigate forward and backward between slides. Select the Table of Contents to skip to different slides. Select the Transcript button to access the audio transcript. If present, select the Resources button to access the additional resources. To return to slide mode, if you are using the keyboard to navigate, refresh the page. Otherwise, use the screen reader mode icon. You have reached the end of this demonstration. Thank you.